Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
What makes a friend into a good friend?
I believe it takes time to find common interests and similar mental features which bring friends even closer. We make many friends in our life, and some of them become close friends as they prove through their activities that we can trust them and share anything with them. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.